Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing usable dirty down moss and acting fast. You want fibers intact, not overly compacted. Once you have won 2 kg, shake and sift immediately. Use a hardware sieve to separate fines and debris. Make sure to remove large twigs, rocks, and obvious contaminants while retaining some organic matter for microbial diversity. You're doing this to balance moisture retention and aeration. This step prevents matting and prepares the moss for washing or pasteurizing without wasting time on unnecessary tools. Now you move into cleaning and conditioning. Rinse the moss in cool water until the runoff is reasonably clear, using about 10 parts water to 1 part moss to flush salts. Once rinsed, pasteurize at 65 to 70 degrees Celsius for 1 hour or, if you prefer a chemical route, soak briefly in 1% hydrogen peroxide for 30 minutes to reduce pathogens. After cooling, squeeze the moss to roughly 50% moisture. Then fluff and mix with equal parts perlite or grit to restore structure and drainage. Finish by applying the conditioned dirty down moss where needed. As a 1 to 3 centimeter mulch, a potting amendment mixed into soil, or a liner for hanging baskets. You should keep it slightly damp, check daily until established, and avoid waterlogging that compacts fibers. If you see white or green mold, act quickly. Increase airflow, reduce moisture by about 10 to 20%, and remove affected sections. If problems persist, re-pasteurize the batch and replace any heavily contaminated material to protect plants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.